Hi everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. It's been a minute since I've been on here on YouTube, and we've had lots of things going on. The world is absolutely nuts. So I'm here not to do anything super meaningful, but to share with you guys a little bit of crafting that I've done in small pockets of free time, and hopefully this will help brighten your day a little bit. I wanted to let you know that one of the reasons that I have been taking a hiatus from YouTube is because we got a new puppy. We adopted him. He was found as a stray on the street, and his name is Bubba Lou. We think he's about 10 months old, and it's taken a lot to get him more or less house trained, crate trained, and living harmoniously with our sweet Bandito, who's now 8 years old. I can't believe how mature he's gotten as compared to a puppy. It's been a while since we've had a puppy in the house. Anyway, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. It is a video for In Love Arts, and I absolutely love the dies that I picked out for my design team package. And I wanted to let you guys know that not only do they have amazing prices, but on top of that, you can use the code FSCraftyPaws, and the FS, C, and P are capitalized, for an additional 15% off your entire order. So let me go through and share with you guys the dies that I picked. So the first one that I picked is called the I Love You pop-up die, and it's basically the inside panel of a card, and the I Heart You pops open. And let me share with you guys how that looks. I'm going to get to the front part of that in a minute. This is an unfinished card, obviously, but I will insert here how you go about creating this with this die. I basically cut out the whole panel, did the folds on the areas that are dotted, and the hard lines here, and the dotted lines here indicate where the fold is on the inside of the card. And then I die cut this portion out again with some metallic red cardstock, and I glued that on top so that it not only made it a little bit stiffer, but also added some shine here. And I love how it's so quick and easy to do this card, and I can put anything on the front of this. I have an idea for Father's Day, but I'll get to that some future video. The next die set that I picked out is called the Cute Love Heart Alphabet die set, and I think this is the cutest alphabet die set that I have ever seen. Each letter has one or two hearts cut out of it, and I think the letters are so stinking cute. I have a little sample here where I die cut the word heroes, and I'll share with you guys the other pieces that I use, but I think the letters are just so stinking cute. Isn't that adorable? This is a card that I made for some healthcare workers that work in the public hospital close to my house. So I wanted to add this to the pile of hero cards and thank you cards that I'm making for healthcare workers right now. And like I said, I just think this alpha set is so cute, not only for Valentine's Day, but for Father's Day, Mother's Day, anniversaries, just any time, because like, when is a heart not appropriate on a card, right? I'm also using the letters to spell out congrats for a graduation card, and love for an anniversary card. Anyway, I thought that was super cute and so versatile. The next die set that I picked out was this nesting dies die set, and it's basically like a sunburst or a explosion or a pow kind of nesting die set, but it's literally just called nesting dies. And here is a sample of a card that I made using this medium and the large die. I used this super cute little stamp from Clearly Besotted. I colored him up like our Bandito as a little superhero. The sentiment, Hooray for Heroes, actually comes from this Hooray from Heroes Clearly Besotted stamp set, which I had totally forgotten I had, but I thought this is so appropriate for the times right now with this pandemic. It's got a nurse, a doctor, a firefighter, and a police dog, and I just think it's so cute, and it works so well with this superheroes, is that what it's called? Caped Cuties stamp set. And so I use that as like a superhero burst like kapow kind of visual, and I stacked them with some glitter cardstock, some blue cardstock, and some shimmery gold cardstock for the card base. I have 2 more samples of using that nesting dies. This one is one where I kind of stack them, but not on top of each other. And these kind of smaller ones are burst around in the background. And I just used some scrap cardstock in red, orange, and yellows. And this little caped cutie, again, is from this stamp set right here. I just colored him up with some Copic markers. And then lastly, I used the same nesting die set for just some pearl textured, like grosgrain textured cardstock. And I just stack them. I don't know if you can make it out, but I've layered 3 of those burst nesting dies here and here, and then the largest one in the background. And I just thought it would be a kind of almost a cast, like a clean and simple, but of course I had to add 2 of the caped cuties and the Hooray for Heroes sentiment. I colored these up with my Copics as well, and I just wanted to color them up with some soft, kind of more pastel-y, pink, cutesy colors for this one. And lastly, I ordered this hollow heart frame die set, and it's 3 of these ovals with the scallops, edges, and the hearts cut out of each of the little scallops. And I used the smallest one for this card, and I inset the white oval. So this cuts actually a frame, not just a plain oval. So you get the inset as well as the frame. And I just blended some color there. And these 2 little critters are from that Hooray from Heroes stamp set. I colored up the Dr. Panda and the Nurse Kitty. And I think they're just so stinking cute. And then you saw that I used this medium-sized one for the exterior of this I Love You card. This is yet to be finished. I haven't figured out what I want to put on the front, but I could make it as simple as using the alphas. I could put like my initial and then a plus and my hubby's initial, and I could just do that on the front if I wanted to keep it really simple. But that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this share. I really love these dies from In Love Arts. I hope you guys will check them out. They have amazing prices, and notwithstanding the pandemic going on, I think I got everything within a month of my order, and I think the shipping is getting faster and faster at this point. Plus, I wanted to just say an extra thank you to them, because as just, you know, something thoughtful for them to do, they sent me a package of 10 masks. These are the disposable masks, and, you know, I'm not saying that they would include them with other people's orders, but I just wanted to share that I thought they were being so thoughtful during these crazy, crazy times right now that we're living in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Bye.